Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make my version of liquid culture that I prefer to use. I use a little bit of rice water for some complex carbs. Yeah, this is white rice. Just a little rinse wash of just plain water and rice. Oh, it's going to be about a tablespoon and a half, depending on the opaqueness after it gets filled up. I prefer a little opaque with being able to see, and it's a little too much, so let's dump half out. And that's much better. Let's toss the magnet in there. And go some Peptone, 1/8 teaspoon to a half pint. Peptone is a soybean protein-based supercharger. Now some brown sugar for the simple carbs, for the quick energy for the mycelial mass. Gonna want about a little under 2 teaspoons to a half pint there, because anything under 4% is ideal. Anything above that gets to be too toxic for the mycelial to grow. And that's all that's going to go into it. I gotta shake it all up so it's nice and mixed evenly. Shake, shake, shake. Some people like to cover up their lids with tin foil. There's no point for liquid cultures. The steam will still rise up and get the filter wet. This kind of filter doesn't let much in there, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, timer's up, and let's check it out, shall we? It's kind of opaque still, but it will clarify once the mushroom starts eating up all the dissolved solids in there. Follow up for more.